This Biashara Sacco that is coming up, we have keen interest because we really believe that the banking sector, and last week I had the chance of speaking at the Kenya Bankers Association, we do believe that we need to create space for them to play their role in the way they know how, and that we will create policy environment that facilitates that process, but that will be humble enough to recognize our limitations and only go so far as is strategic for moving this country forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to just in a count of 3, 2, 1 just to celebrate and affirm this partnership officially. So ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1, make some grateful noise, ladies and gentlemen.
This partnership does not, it has a beginning. To our interest, it has no end, because we don't believe this business, as you know, is a going concern, and we will enable their SACCO to onward lend to them. They have a savings and cooperative. We shall enable that SACCO to onward lend from our balance sheet, where we give them money on wholesale and they send that money to their members on retail basis, because they have more solid relationships with the members. Secondly, we shall enable MAC shipping and logistics to be able to enable people, when they import their containers, to be able to pay clearing fees, and so that we can reduce the perennial problem of dwell time of cargo at the ports as people look for financing. We have 600 billion shillings at their disposal. I'm rounding up my 581 billion, which we have received from different partners around the world as tier 2 capital into the bank. And we have a balance sheet even bigger than that, because the equity group balance sheet is 1.1 trillion. So we've got a lot of firepower in our balance sheet to be able to lend. And we are very excited that our risk-based pricing model is being considered by the Central Bank of Kenya. We are hopeful that in the next few months, or before the end of this quarter, we shall get an approval that will even accelerate our lending to them.
We are so grateful, and we thank Equity Bank that they have come to partner with small medium entrepreneurs. These are the real SMEs. These are real people who hustle every day to work in their shops, mama mboga, boda boda guys, market guys, and every person in the lower cadre. These are the people that we represent. And so the partnership today is going to bring a lot of capacity building for small medium entrepreneurs. As you are well aware, small medium entrepreneurs are devoid of information. And so, as you have heard, the CCO, what he has said, is going to expose this sector to different strategic partners to give information, to capacity build SMEs, so that they can be able to be credit worthy, they can be able to borrow money. And even with the partnership in terms of funding of the SACCO, we are going to see a lot of businesses coming back, resuscitating. We decided not to stay back. We decided to be on the forefront, to be solution givers of our members. And so every person who is our member, they are going to get that. And we call forth all small medium entrepreneurs to just come to our office, and you're also going to go out there and show you and give you different platforms that you can be able to join us through, so that we can have a formidable group